The Civil Danger Alert System has issued this message at request of the Northampton Police Department. At 4:48 a.m. 3 men with AK-47s were spotted at the Canal Street Park. They were spotted by a Northampton County sheriff and took off in a black Mazda 6. They were pursued by sheriffs and entered Lehigh County. They were last seen in the area of 7th and Gordon in Allentown. If you see these men, do not attempt to apprehend. At 5:59 p.m. officers have spotted the 3 suspects in Lansdale, PA, and 2 were killed. The other was shot. It is safe to go outside now. The civil danger is now over.